Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
British businesses do not expect any growth over the next 3 months as a surging cost of living squeezes consumer demand, a monthly survey showed. Japan's yen surged and is on track for its biggest weekly rise in 4 months against the dollar on bets that US interest rate hikes are nearing a peak after data showed the world's biggest economy unexpectedly contracted the June quarter. Oil prices will continue to stay high as production constraints look to keep crude supplies tight, according to the world's top energy giants. There is more upside than downside when it comes to the oil price, Shell CEO said. The dollar fell 0.7% against the yen in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.8% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 4.5% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 GMT. And Germany's retail sales at 0600 GMT. The Dutch Markit Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0700 GMT. Japan's Jibun Manufacturing PMI at 130 GMT. And Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.